There is this app that claims to pay you $3 once you create an account and you join. So I want us to take you through so that we can see if we can get these $3 immediately after we join. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and in today's video, I am going to take you through an app that is claiming that they can actually pay you $3 once you join the app. So guys, stay tuned. And make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I am going to take you through this one so that all of us can see if we can get these $3 that they are claiming to give, or maybe it is just a story. So if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and stay here. And for those who are always coming back, God bless you. So guys, there is this app that is claiming that once you join, they are going to give you $3. And in today's video, I want us to see if we can actually get that dollar. I want to display my camera here so that we can do everything and see if we can get that dollars. Who is that person who is not in need of money, you know? And so guys, this video is for educational purposes only. Guys, I am not guaranteeing you money in this video or in this channel. I am going to review the apps that claims that they are giving people free money, they are hiring. I know that in online, there are the legit platforms that are actually paying people and giving, hiring people and paying them per hour, per week, per month. But I am going to review them. If the app is legit, I'm going to tell you this one is legit. You can try your luck. And if they hire you, then it is good for you. And also if the app is just, there, and maybe they are just claiming to be giving you money, to hiring you, I'm also going to tell you if it can pay you or not. So make sure that you stay here, you subscribe to my channel, make sure that your bell is on, because I am going to always review the apps and tell you if it is legit or not. As you know me guys, I have been sharing with you, so many apps that actually pays after working, after doing surveys. And I myself, I have an experience whereby I have earned up to $68, per month, but not per hour. But now, because so many apps are, they are telling people that they pay, but they are not paying. So I decided that I am going to review them together with you so that we can know where the truth lies. So let's get in. We are getting in immediate. So what we are going to do first, I'm going to display my camera, and here it is. So you see this app here, it is called Honeygain. Honeygain is telling us that get $3 just for joining. Make money while you sleep. $3. You join, then you get, what? You join, after joining, you get $3. That is what I want to know, if it can actually happen. So let us click on the link. Guys, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not promising you. I want to know if it can actually give me that $3 after I have joined. What if your mobile paid you while you scroll? Your internet is working 24/7. Why not make it pay you back? Join now and get a $3 starting gift. So start earning. Claim your $3 gift in 3 simple steps. Sign up for Honeygain. Install the app. Share traffic, receive payout. Get app and $3. You see? So what do we do now? Let us click on get $3. Get up $3. Yeah, we are getting, because we have been promised we are going to get. So I want us to get this money. Let us see where it is taking us. Maybe it is taking us in a place whereby we are going to, get that $3. So it is telling us to download. You see, it told us that the first step is to download the app, sign up, and the second one, get $3. Now, the first step is downloading the app. Now, let us download the app and see if we are going to get that $3. That is all I want to see. Yeah, I want to see if we are going to get that $3. So let us check it if it has downloaded. I want to see if it has downloaded. I can't see it here. Let me go back to the Chrome. Yeah, we must get these $3, you know. Let me see. Let's see. But I hope, yeah, let us see. Guys, you have to be patient because, you know, we have to be patient. If you want something, especially free things. Who told you that there are 3 free things in this world? The only free thing in this world is salvation, you see? Salvation is the only free thing that you can get. So, let me open the app. Where is it now? Oh, it is here. It is here. Here it is. So we are installing it. We want to see, that is the first step. We want to see actually. Installing, and my network is very poor. I don't know how long it's going to take. So let us open it. We are opening it. You have to be very patient. For you to know the truth, you have to be very patient. Don't rush. So this is it. You open. Yeah, we are just opening it. We want to see if that $3 that they say that you get once you join, that is what we want to know. You see, me, I'm just agreeing to the terms. I don't know what the terms are talking about, but skip introduction. No, I'm not going to skip. Share your internet and earn. So you share your internet and you earn. Next, what you get paid for. Honeygain is a residential proxy network. Testing part will get you paid for helping businesses get web statistics. So next, earn more on all devices. You can earn from all your devices. And invite everyone to join. You can invite and also you can earn. And next, sit back and earn. So let us sit back. So you can join through your Google, or you can also join through your, you know, you sign up. I just want to join through Google. Let me join through Google. So I have joined through Google, and let us see. Let us see how it goes. So stop, let's set you up. We are setting it up and see if we can get that $3. That $3 is what we want, guys. So I have $0.00 referrals. I don't have any referrals. So guys, you see, I have logged in. I have gone through the 3 process. First one was download the app, log in, set up, and get $3. Can you see any money here? No, can you see any money here? What does that tell you, guys? I haven't seen anything. So I'm actually going to log out. So what does that tells you? That you don't really have to believe everything that you see, you know, on internet. I am not saying that the app is not paying. No, I am not saying. The app will pay you by using your internet. It will pay you by using your internet. Like you just sign in and you no task, no nothing, you just leave there your phone, and as they consume your internet, they are also paying you. But how much do you think that you can actually earn? Do you know that I tried this app? I left my Wi-Fi for 1 week for this app, and I didn't even get up to $1. I did not get up to $1. Yes, I did not get up to $1. I can actually show you because I have an account with them. It is not that I don't have an account with them. No, I have an account with them, and I can you know, I can log in with that account that I actually created. You know, I want to show you with the account that I created. I really don't know which account I used. Which account did I use? Let me see if it is this one. I don't know, but I wish I knew which of the emails I used. But to be sincere with this, that I have tried this app. I left my Wi-Fi for 1 week, and I didn't even get up to $1. And you know, they promised to get you $3, but have you seen anything? So guys, what I want to tell you is that, okay, the app, it can pay, but it is paying according to maybe your location. But I am not going to tell you that this is what you can actually, you know, put all your mind and your efforts on. And when you see that they are telling you that once you sign in, you get $3, that is the term, that is the language that so many business people uses. And so I am not going to say that the app is bad. No, I am not here to say that. I am only here to review the app and tell you that whatever you see outside, it is not whatever that you see inside. If someone tells you that, like they have said that, get $3 after creating your account, and after creating your account, have you seen any $3 that I have gotten? No. So what you see outside, it is not the same as what you see. What you see outside is different from what you see inside. So guys, what I will tell you is that be careful, be very, very careful whenever you use this app. Don't be fooled. Do your due diligence, and yeah, that is how you're going to. There are some apps that are paying. Even this one is paying, but maybe it's according to the location. But I tried it. I left my Wi-Fi for 1 week. I never even gotten up to $1. And I logged out and I deleted the app because I don't want to be lied to. So thank you guys for watching this video, and just tell me in the comment section if whatever that I am doing, it is good. Bye bye.